Chris, if you're put your shop owner who's not in the EV world hat on, and if you're listening to this and you're like, oh man, I want to get into that world, what advice would you have to shop owners looking to kind of emulate what you and other EV centric folks have done?
So I think, like when we're talking about tooling, right? Like tooling, so yeah, it's an upfront cost, but just be mindful that it's not the end of it, right? So it's a continuous cost. Certain welders only have a certain lifespan. Everything needs to be maintained all the time. Stuff wears out, right? Like stuff breaks. So I mean, it's not a one time. Hey, I bought all these tools and now I'm ready to rock. No, I mean it's a continuous investment into tooling, and it's a commitment to have the best tools and to always be trying to get the stuff that's going to help your guys and help everybody in the shop to fix cars better. Um, Training wise, it's constant and it's a lot, and it's not just online stuff. And it's, I mean, we spend a lot of money on training. I mean, we've got guys, one guy in Texas, and then one guy will be in California at the same time, and one guy will be in Georgia. I mean, it's you're booking several flights and hotels and rental cars, and then I mean we travel now more than we ever have, and um, but it's also on the other side of that. It's also helped our shop a lot too, right? So we really are able to be, I don't want to say it on the cutting edge, but we're able to really know what's in the know and what's going on with these cars and how to fix them properly.